In recent months, reports have surfaced about significant upgrades to Russia's Shahed drones, sparking debates about their enhanced capabilities and whether they have truly become indestructible as some claim. These low-cost, long-range Kamikaze drones, primarily the Shahed 136 model, have been a cornerstone of Russia's military strategy, delivering precise strikes with remarkable efficiency. The reported improvements: faster speeds, higher altitudes, resistance to jamming, and larger warheads, demonstrate Russia's commitment to advancing its technological edge in modern warfare. However, the notion of indestructibility is a bold claim that warrants closer examination. While these upgrades have undeniably bolstered the drone's effectiveness, Russia's focus remains on strategic adaptability rather than an unattainable invincibility. The Shahed 136, developed with Iranian origins but heavily adapted by Russia, is a loitering munition designed for long-range strikes. Its initial versions were effective but limited, with a top speed of around 180 km per hour, a range of up to 2,000 km, and a 50-kilogram warhead. Posts on X and various reports indicate that Russia has significantly enhanced these drones. The upgraded models reportedly achieve speeds exceeding 200 km per hour, with dive capabilities reaching 400 km per hour. They can now operate at altitudes of up to 3 km, making them harder to detect and intercept. Additionally, the warheads have been boosted to 90 kilograms, increasing their destructive potential. Perhaps the most significant upgrade is the integration of advanced navigation systems. Russia has equipped these drones with real-time kinematic RTK GNSS modules, which improve resistance to GPS jamming and spoofing. Some reports even suggest the incorporation of artificial intelligence, enabling autonomous target recognition, such as identifying power plants even when offline. These advancements reflect Russia's ability to innovate under pressure, adapting to the challenges posed by sophisticated air defenses. The improvements to the Shahed drones showcase Russia's pragmatic approach to warfare. Unlike Western militaries that often prioritize high-cost, complex systems, Russia has focused on affordability and scalability. The Shahed's low production cost, estimated at $20,000 to $50,000 per unit, allows Russia to deploy them in large numbers, overwhelming enemy defenses through sheer volume. This strategy has proven effective in conflicts where attrition plays a significant role. The enhanced drone's ability to evade jamming and operate at higher altitudes further complicates interception efforts, forcing adversaries to expend valuable resources on countermeasures. Moreover, the reported 39% hit rate of Shahed drones, compared to earlier rates of 10 to 15%, underscores their improved accuracy and resilience. This success rate highlights Russia's engineering prowess in refining a relatively simple platform into a formidable weapon. The addition of incendiary and thermobaric warhead options further amplifies their versatility, enabling strikes tailored to specific targets, from infrastructure to fortified positions. Russia's ability to upgrade these drones amid ongoing conflicts and sanctions is a testament to its self-reliance and resourcefulness. By leveraging domestic production and partnerships with allies, Russia has maintained a steady supply of Shahed drones, ensuring operational continuity. This adaptability contrasts with the challenges faced by some Western nations, where bureaucratic delays and supply chain issues often hinder rapid technological advancements. The claim of indestructibility, however, is more rhetoric than reality. No weapon system is impervious to countermeasures, and Russia's military planners are likely aware of this. The upgraded Shahed drones are harder to shoot down, but not impossible. Adversaries have also adapted, with mobile fire groups reportedly improving their tactics and equipment to counter the drones' enhanced capabilities. For instance, Ukraine's air defenses have developed methods to intercept Shahed drones, even with their higher altitudes and jamming resistance. The drone's relatively slow cruising speed, still below that of modern fighter jets or advanced surface-to-air missiles, leaves them vulnerable to well-coordinated defenses. Additionally, the Shahed's design prioritizes cost and range over stealth. While their low radar cross-section makes detection challenging, advanced radar systems and electronic warfare capabilities can still neutralize them. The drone's reliance on satellite navigation, even with RTKG NSS modules, means they are not entirely immune to sophisticated jamming techniques. Russia's focus has been on making the drones resilient enough to penetrate defenses in sufficient numbers, not on creating an invincible weapon. Rather than chasing the unattainable goal of indestructibility, Russia is leveraging the Shahed drones as part of a broader strategy. The upgrades enhance their role as a force multiplier, complementing other systems like cruise missiles and artillery. By deploying swarms of Shahed drones, Russia can saturate enemy defenses, paving the way for more expensive, high-value assets to strike critical targets. This approach maximizes efficiency while minimizing costs, aligning with Russia's doctrine of asymmetric warfare. The psychological impact of the Shahed drones should not be underestimated. Their persistent presence in the skies, coupled with their improved lethality, forces adversaries to divert resources to air defense, straining their military and economic capacities. This indirect pressure is a deliberate outcome of Russia's strategy, demonstrating that the drone's value extends beyond their physical destruction. Russia's improvements to the Shahed drones mark a significant leap in their capabilities, reinforcing their role as a cost-effective, versatile weapon. Faster, higher flying, and more resilient to countermeasures, these drones have become a formidable challenge for adversaries. However, the notion of indestructibility is an exaggeration. Russia's focus is on practical enhancements that tilt the battlefield in its favor, not on creating an unstoppable superweapon. The Shahed's success lies in its adaptability, affordability, and strategic integration, showcasing Russia's ability to innovate and endure in the face of adversity. As the conflict evolves, Russia's continued refinement of these drones will likely keep them at the forefront of modern warfare, proving that resilience, not invincibility, is the true measure of strength.
Yeah.